Hi everyone, welcome back to Pronunciation with Emma. In today's video, we're going to have a look at how to pronounce the glottal stop. More specifically, I'm going to talk about when the t becomes a glottal stop, because there are other sounds as well which can become glottalized, but we're just going to focus on when t becomes a glottal stop in this video. So let's start with how we pronounce the glottal stop. What I do with my students is I give them this phrase here. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. So what's happening when I pronounce this is I'm closing my vocal cords here, or vocal folds, okay? I'm closing them here just for a second. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Now, we can use this sound to replace the t in the middle of words or at the end of words. Let me give you some examples. Water, water. So notice I can say water, water, and I can pronounce that T. But what you may hear is a lot of people saying water, water, and they glottalize it. So like, uh-oh, water, uh-oh, water. So if you struggle with this sound a little bit, start with two-syllable words just to practice. Start with uh-oh, uh-oh, and then take a two-syllable word, water, water. It could be another one, such as better, better, uh-oh, uh-oh, better, better. It just helps out if you start with two-syllable words rather than getting stuck straight in with sentences and things. So practice with that a little bit, and we're going to have a look at some rules now. So we pronounce the glottal T when we have either a vowel, a L, a M, a N, and then we have a T. So as I said, this can happen in the middle of words or it can happen at the end of words. For example, I could say, he was late, he was late. Here we have a vowel, A, and then T. I can change that to a glottal stop. He was late, he was late. Another example, the task was difficult, the task was difficult, difficult. The task was difficult. Another example, I can't go, I can't go, I can't go. Now what happens here, I don't say I can go. I don't want to talk about this in too much detail in this video, but I just want to explain what's happening. Instead of saying I can't go and pronouncing that N as a N sound, I instead pronounce it as a Ng sound. In words like sing, king, you can also find this sound. So I can't go, I can't go, I can't go. Now some of my students don't quite believe me when I do use the glottal stop, especially at the end of words. They notice it in the middle of words, but at the end they sometimes think, hold on, you're just cutting the T, Emma. How do I know if it's a glottal stop or not? Let me use that first sentence that we looked at as an example. So we took the word late, that's with the t. Now, if I just remove the t, it would sound like he was lay, he was lay. If I glottalize it, it would sound like he was late, he was late, he was lay, he was late, he was lay, he was late. You can hear that there is a little cut where there is the glottal stop. So hopefully that helps some people with that one. Now let's have a look at some sentences together. I do have a mixture of glottal stops in the middle of words and at the end of words in these sentences, just so you get plenty of practice. So the first sentence is, I felt better after having a drink of water. I felt better after having a drink of water. I felt better after having a drink of water. What time did he get there? What time did he get there? What time did he get there? Shut the door and sit down. Shut the door and sit down. Shut the door and sit down. And the last one, don't stay out too late. Don't stay out too late. Don't stay out too late. That's it for this video. I hope it's been helpful and you've enjoyed it and you've learnt something new. What I must say is that it is not necessary to use the glottal stop. So don't watch this video thinking, oh my god, I must use the sound, I must learn it. I'm teaching you this because 1, so many people have requested that I teach it, and 2, it's really useful for your understanding. So if you hear someone ask for a glass of water, then you know that they're asking for water. A lot of people kind of say that this is a typical Cockney thing, but I do hear the glottal stop used across the UK. So it's not just a London or Cockney thing, it is used all across the UK by people of different classes, of different ages. So yes, I just wanted to add that. So I'm gonna finish that and shut up talking. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Bye guys.